Okay, going on a little walk with, I don't know, 5 dogs and 5 puppies. Maybe it's 6 dogs, 2 turkeys. Keep walking, babe. You can't stop. If you stop, they attack you. Come on, everybody. Let's go stretch our legs down the driveway. Yeah, go get Barney. Go get him. You want to be carried? No, we have to exercise. We have to get worn out and tired. He's Buddy. Come on, little chubs. All right, guys. Come meet your new babies. They're here waiting for their new families. Come meet them. Priscilla and Michael must have went back home. They didn't really want to walk. You guys aren't exactly tiring out the puppies. Come on. The older dogs are too tired. The older dogs are not tiring you out. Oh, goodness. That was like a backflip. Chubs. Why are you so cute, Chubs? Look at that face. Come adopt me. Look at that face. Buddy's like, yes, please. Come adopt them. Oh, here come Michael and Priscilla. Not to be left out. We're following behind, making sure the puppies aren't grabbing them. Smart move, my friends. Smart move. They're all chasing after the grumpy old man. And Michael. Priscilla's right behind you. Okay, on a walk with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dogs, 2 turkeys, and 5 puppies. And a grumpy old man. They're keeping you young, Barney. Still grumpy, but at least they're keeping you young. Come get your new puppies. Everybody come meet them today. They need their new families.
But not between 2:30 and 5.
Oh, goodness. Chubs.
Chubs, I do not think you are destined for the Greyhound races.
What? Look at those little legs. I can do it. I can do it. With my little wiener dog legs. Look at the size of his legs. And then look at little Lucy's legs. And then we got some good sized legs. Oh, vicious. And then we got little Chub's legs. Funny. Barney, stop being a grumpy old man. Jill and Duchess. Yeah, you get him.